Hey everybody, and welcome to another episode of Meet the Speaker. Today with me, I've got Michael Callaghan. Michael, how you doing?
I'm great, sir. How are you?
Oh, I'm just doing excellent. Super excited to get a chance to kind of get to know you a little bit and just find out some more about you. So let's just jump right into it. The first question is the basic one. How'd you get into programming?
I was a timid ninth grader at Bowie High School in Maryland, and didn't know anybody. We had just moved there about 2 months, or maybe a month into the school year, and I didn't know any people. I didn't know what I wanted to do with myself. And one day I happened to wander into their data processing room. They had a bunch of dumb terminals connected by modem, 300 baud modem, to the county's mini computer.
Nice.
And the data processing teacher, she must have been in her 60s, told me, I'm here every day until 3 o'clock if you just want to come in and hang out and help teach yourself. So I went out and got some magazines and I started teaching myself BASIC on HP 2000s.
Wow, that's crazy. Wow, that's crazy. That's awesome. Well, so is there maybe any older technology you don't use anymore that you actually miss?
I really miss .NET.
Yeah.
I was early on in the .NET world, probably from about version 1.1, back in 2002, 2003-ish timeframe. Really liked it. Introduced it at my job at Hewlett Packard, which ultimately led to my not firing, but led to my loss of my job at that company in 2005, because I did introduce .NET. But I've always loved it, and I was hired at my current job 11 years ago today, in fact, as a .NET developer. And then a few months after that, we stopped using .NET, and I've been pretty much a web developer ever since.
Cool. All right. Well, so let's talk about Angular. What is your favorite part of Angular?
These days, it's probably RxJS.
Yeah.
Which I know is not technically part of Angular. So the Angular CLI and just how everything is integrated together.
Okay. That's cool. That's a good answer. I like that. Honestly, I think I would probably pick something or maybe that the same for me. So let's talk about your talk at ng-conf. What are you going to be speaking on?
I don't have a title for it yet. It's based on a chapter in my book, Don't Say That at Work. And the chapter in the book is Don't Talk So Fast. And you may be picking that up when I get excited about something, or when I'm just start going off. I'll pause a lot, but then I'll pick up as if nothing ever happened, and I'll start going too fast. And it's always been an issue for me ever since I was in probably late high school, early college. People would tell me, Mike, you got to stop talking so fast, because it really is possible for me to keep going and get faster and faster and faster and try to make my point quickly. And a lot of my coworkers used to make fun of me. The idea, though, is if we slow down, really think about what we're going to say, and enunciate our words, we can come off much more impactful. And people will remember, people will take you more seriously.
Right. Yeah, I know. I'm really excited about this talk particularly. I feel the same thing myself, that I talk too fast, too much. So I'm really excited for your talk. So let's turn to something, let's keep it on this kind of like serious self-improvement tone. How do you deal with imposter syndrome when you experience it?
Well, I've been accused of being arrogant, so maybe I don't experience imposter syndrome as much as some people. But seriously, I do, especially when I'm around a lot of really smart people. I have to remind myself that they know a lot of things that I don't, but I also probably know a lot of things that they don't. And one of the ways that I keep reminding myself of that when I'm at work is I like to work with people, particularly doing pair programming to try to solve problems. And a lot of times I will discover that I know a particular nuance about a thing that they miss,
Right.
and vice versa. I really like working with people where we can benefit each other.
Cool. All right. Well, on the lighter side of things, if you had to choose a career outside of software and money wasn't important, what would you do?
I've actually been thinking a lot about this lately, given all of the news articles about the airline pilot shortages. I would love to find out if I could become an airline pilot.
Oh, yeah, that'd be cool. I like that answer. Okay. All right. Well, we're going to wrap up with our lightning round. And so I'm going to give you a series of A or B choices. You get to pick one. You could pick both or neither if you really feel so inspired, but no explanation necessary on your choices. So are you ready?
I am ready.
Here we go. So first one's pretty standard. Kirk or Picard?
Picard.
Okay. Ruby or Scala?
Ruby.
BB-8 or Grogu?
Grogu.
Game of Thrones or Squid Game?
Never seen either.
Never seen either. Okay. Golf or mini golf?
Mini golf.
Dogs or cats?
Cats.
This one, I love this one. Twilight or Batman?
I really enjoyed Twilight. I read the books.
Yeah. Have you seen the new Batman movie though?
I have, and it was far better than I expected.
Cool. All right. Stranger Things or Lost?
Hardest one you've asked me so far. Probably Stranger Things.
Okay. All right. Last one. Billie Eilish or Billy Joel?
Oh, easily. Billy Joel.
Yeah. All right. Okay.
I just showed my age.
Right. Okay. Well, thanks so much for taking time out of your busy day to come and talk to us. Super looking forward to seeing you in person at ng-conf, and hopefully everybody that watches this also gets to come and meet you in person at ng-conf.
My pleasure. I am definitely looking forward to it.
Cool. All right. Thanks, Michael. We'll see you later.
Thanks.